Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Tuesday, 2nd December 2025. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends and stocks to watch before the markets open. The US markets ended lower yesterday as markets are reacting to a mix of factors: elevated bond yields, uncertainty over upcoming economic data, and renewed volatility in crypto assets, which is dampening immediate optimism despite a strong month-end rally. Asian markets are mostly positive today, with the KOSPI gaining more than 1.7%. However, broader sentiment remains cautious as markets weigh dovish expectations from the US against possible tightening in Japan. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 26,317, indicating a flat opening for the Indian markets today. Global crude oil prices held gains supported by cautious supply outlook after a recent output pause by OPEC+ and renewed geopolitical risk. Precious metals remain firm. Gold is rising on safe haven demand and rate cut hopes, while silver continues to attract strong buying on similar cues. Bajaj Finance will sell up to 2% stake in Bajaj Housing Finance starting December 2nd to meet minimum public shareholding norms, aiming to raise 1,740 crore rupees. Ambuja Cements has commissioned a 4 million tons per annum clinker expansion at its Bhatapara plant, taking its total consolidated clinker capacity to 66 million tons per annum. Tata Motors reported a strong 26% year-on-year jump in November passenger vehicle sales to 59,199 units, driven by robust demand for its EV and SUV lineup. A flat open is expected today, with resistance at 26,250, while supports will be at 26,150, followed by 26,030. Trading with a negative bias can be expected today on account of profit booking, as well as negative cues from the US markets. Indian markets may see early caution as global growth concerns, crude price volatility, and uncertainty around US rate cut timing continue to weigh on sentiment. However, strong domestic flows, improving macro data, and upbeat sector-specific developments could act as key catalysts to support a positive bias at the open. Yesterday, FIIs were net sellers of about 1,171 crore rupees, while DIIs were strong net buyers of roughly 2,559 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on December 2nd, 2025. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.